Hi, welcome to Tendril Products. This is the A35 sanitary napkin vending machine. That is the 35 capacity machine that can be operated using currency coins. We are going to now learn how to refill the machine with sanitary pads. To refill the machine, please use the keys provided to open the machine. This, as you can see, is the spring of the machine. Inside each spring, we will be placing one single pencil wrapped sanitary pad. Please note that the pad needs to go in the first gap itself. If you see easily, it slides in. Starting from left to right, we will fill this machine with 35 sanitary pads. Only in the gap, no napkin should go on top of the spring. I would now be going faster. The sanitary pad slips right through, no issues. Please make sure that this flap here does not go on top of any spring. If it does, the napkin will get stuck. Now that we've refilled the machine, before I show you how to use it, I'd like to show you the exterior parts of the machine. On either sides of the machine, you will find what is called a pocket handle. This handle is used to lift the machine. It's available both on the left and the right. In the front of the machine, you will see the keyhole to open the machine, the takeout port from where the napkin can be removed by the user, the display screen which will show the cost of the napkin inside, and the stock count. You will also notice that every time you dispense a sanitary pad from this machine, the count starts counting down. Next is what we call the coin or token acceptor. This part of the machine is where the coin is inserted, and this part of the machine is where the rejected coin falls. Now, the rejected coin will only fall here in two instances. One, if the coin used is wrong, or two, when the napkins are not available within the machine. This button is currently not applicable to your machine. The next and the last part of the machine available in the exterior is the reset button. This reset button is applied only when the napkin refilling is completed and we want to bring the count back to its original. To use the machine, insert your coin here and you should then hear a beep. Stop. Okay, so to use the machine, I'm going to show you exactly how to dispense the napkin. Now, this is a currency coin operated sanitary napkin vending machine, as I mentioned earlier, and the pad cost here is ₹5. We've set it for not only ₹5 coin, but we've also set it with ₹2 and ₹1 coin, which means that since the value of the napkin inside is ₹5, I can even use ₹2 and ₹1 to withdraw the napkin as long as the cost equals to 5. So for example, okay, so to use the machine, I'm going to show you exactly how to dispense the napkin. Now, this is a currency coin operated sanitary napkin vending machine, as I mentioned earlier, and the pad cost here is ₹5. We've set it for not only ₹5 coin, but we've also set it with ₹2 and ₹1 coin, which means that since the value of the napkin inside is ₹5, I can even use ₹2 and ₹1 to withdraw the napkin as long as the cost equals to 5. Now that we've learned how all the parts of the machine, interior and exterior, let's learn how to use the machine after refilling it. I'm going to be inserting a 5 rupee coin inside the machine. This coin has now fallen in the coin box inside. There you go. You'll get a napkin. Let's dispense a napkin again. You must be hearing a noise. That noise, that turning noise, is of the spring. Another dispense. So again, I'm going to tell you that when the napkins got dispensed, the spring turned here and the napkins slid down this slide. So therefore, these 3 napkins that we withdrew from the machine, we are now going to refill the machine again with these 3 napkins. Now, if you notice and come closer, you will see that the gaps behind are empty. So these napkins will go in these 3 gaps. 1, 2 and 3. You will notice this last gap, let it be empty. So we've dispensed the sanitary pads. Our count had gone down to 30, 3 which we withdrew and previous 2 which I did the testing on. Now to bring the count back to 35, let's assume hypothetically this count is actually 0, no more napkins in the machine. You've done the hard work, you've put the napkins, you've refilled the machine with the napkins, and now you need the count to come back to 35 so that the coins can be accepted again. To do so, you will require both your hands. So either you take the help of another housekeeping person or you can do it yourself. It's a 2-minute job. So for doing that, the first thing, the most important thing to do is to switch off the mains. After switching off the mains of the machine, you notice this reset button which I talked about during the parts of the machine. Yeah. You need to hold this button down. Now I would prefer to use my right finger in this instance so that I can lean over and switch on the mains when required with my left hand. So I will press the green button, and while I'm still pressing it down, I will switch on the mains. You notice my finger here did not move. System refilled, system booting, and you heard the beep. You can now release your finger. Once you hear the beep, you can release your finger from the button and your machine has now gone back to the count of 35. Congratulations, you've managed to refill and reset the machine. Thank you so much for watching our videos. This is primarily from letting you know how to use the machine. This is a video user manual. Thank you. Have a lovely day.